Hi, lovelies. Welcome to Yem Choice TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. On today's program, we shall be discussing about the state of the nation, especially the hike in prices of commodities. And to discuss that with me today is a businesswoman and entrepreneur, Alaja Basirat Bello. In case if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so by pressing on the subscribe button. This will enable you to get a notification whenever I upload a video. And also on health segment of the program today, we have in our midst a renowned medical doctor, a specialist gynecology obstetrician, Dr. Ewunowo Temidire Sunday. He shall be taking us on the prevention, causes, management, and cure of that deadly silent killer disease called hypertension. Stay tuned.
Hello, everyone. Good day from wherever you're watching this program. Well, today we're looking at the hike in prices of commodities in Nigeria. Like I do say to people, there is nothing we want to discuss here that people haven't said before, that people have not said today, yesterday, or talking about even as we speak. It's just that we won't get tired. We'll continue to talk about it until they listen to us. Nigeria, as far as I am concerned, is bleeding. People are dying silently. And hunger is the main cause. Today, parents are struggling to put food on a table. We only manage to eat to survive, not to our satisfaction again. Medical bills are there. And what I would call Boko Haram-like prices of drugs. We are seriously failing to hold our government accountable. Remember, they came to us to beg for our votes, so with a lot of Sakamaje promises. But see what we're going through today. It is sad, very pathetic. Unfortunately, this is the only thing we can do. We'll talk, complain to ourselves, shout, and then that's it. That's it. And the government, as for me, is saying, indirectly saying, ẹ̀yin lẹ mọ̀. Nigerians are struggling with exorbitant bills. School fees wà níbẹ̀, fuel, electricity that we didn't adequately consume, tax wà níbẹ̀, local government levies, rent, àwọn ọmọ ọ̀tá tún wà níbẹ̀ that you have to factor in. Things are so bad in Nigeria today. I'm sorry. The state of the nation calls for urgent and drastic action. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Take, for example, in my house, once I hear mommy like this, I am ready to back like a dog, because the next thing is we want to buy, this thing has finished, that one has finished. My sister, the prices of things in the market now, Ọlọ́run nìkan ni o, Ọlọ́run nìkan ló lè bá wa ṣe. Honestly speaking, God is our strength. I don't know how we've been surviving. Go out and get something now and go back the next minute, the price has changed. The price has changed. And there's nothing you can do about it. I was telling somebody today that, look, I've stopped thinking about, this hike of things generally, because hypertension ló ń kọ lẹ́tà sí yẹn if you're not careful. And do you blame all these people selling, these things? No, I don't blame them, because the exchange rate is what determines everything. We keep importing without producing anything. Gbogbo wa la fẹ́ not tie. Shey you know, we have all abandoned agriculture due to, well, insecurity and a few other reasons, especially in the Southwest. I remember growing up, we were always going to our farm, to plant this and that. We'll plant, we'll eat, harvest, eat, and then sell. How many parents or how many homes ló ṣì ń ṣerú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lénìí? How many? How many? And the few people that have summoned the courage to say, okay, we'll go into farming, they are being slaughtered like chicken. They are being slaughtered. They are being killed, harassed, threatened on their own farm. Yet, government will continue to pay lip service, because the people guilty of this are untouchable. That's what I see. That's what I see. Until we are ready to take the bulls by the horns, let us hold the government accountable. Something drastic has to be done. We cannot continue to complain to ourselves in the corners of our homes and then, hoping that something will happen, something positive will happen. No, it doesn't work that way. I don't want to go out. You are not ready to go out. And I'm not ready to allow my husband or my children to lead anything. Gbogbo wa là ń sá sẹ́yìn. So how do we approach it? How do we solve this problem? Government dẹ̀ ń ṣe bámbám ni mo yó, èmi ò mọ̀ pé bí ń pọmọ ẹnì kankan. Ebi dẹ̀ ń pa wá mẹ̀kúnnù. But pé tán bá léwúrẹ́ títí tó bá su á turn back. Tó bá dẹ̀ turn back, the repercussion can be deadly. It can be deadly. Government cannot continue to put up the posture of we don't care. We don't care. They are just seeing the few amongst us, the few rich ones amongst us, that, that God has blessed, that are putting up structures, holding big parties, every now and then, thinking that, the big see, they're enjoying now, they have money. Not all of us, not everybody. Millions of Nigerians are suffering. Millions of people are suffering. We don't know what to do again. Government has to listen to us. They just have to listen to us. Sometimes I just think, do we still have government in place in this country? Nothing is happening. Everything is just stagnant. Mo fẹ́ lè sọ pé ńgbà Buhari gan kò le tó báyìí. The Buhari that we were all abusing then, Baba go slow, this and that, we were calling him names, not knowing pé késekése la rí kàsàkàsà ń bọ̀. We have to do something drastic. And this is not in any way saying we're against the government. No. But that we want government to listen to us and do something positive, something to cushion the effect of what we are feeling now. The hardship is crazy. ọkọ ò lẹ́nu mọ́ nílé, ọkọ ò jọ
ọjọ́ tá a
ìyàwó
máa
ẹ̀
ìjọba ń gún
lójúmọ́
fún
nílé.
nípa.
Why? Because he cannot provide.
Ètò ọjọ́ tá a máa ìjọba ń gún fún nípa.
He can't
Ọjọ́ tá
provide.
a máa ìjọ ẹ̀.
Everything ti hán lọ́jà, yet government to increase salary, and they are flying everywhere with their family members. Is that not selfishness? That is wickedness. Gbogbo price nǹkan ló wọ́n pátápátá, mi ì rí nǹkan náà tí kò wọ́n. And as long as tí owó epo bá wọ́n, tí exchange rate ò bá stable, tí government bá continue to come up with policies that are not business friendly, gbogbo nǹkan máa ma le ni. Gbogbo ẹ̀ máa ma le ni o, whether we like it or not. They have to listen to us. They have to listen and pity us. They have to find that solution urgently, urgent one. Everything they promised us, I have not seen. No, I don't know if you have seen it, but for me, I have seen nothing.
Speaking on the hike in prices of commodities in Nigeria, Alhaja Basirat Bello is of the opinion that we all should go back to farming. Lovelies, hope you enjoyed today's program. For questions, submission, kindly put it down on the comment section. We will respond to it appropriately. Thank you for your time and join me next time for another interesting topic. Bye. Love you all.